Another daily tip. Let's start by getting rid of that old ball float. The fill valve, and you start by draining the system and assembling the fill valve. Once it's drained, you can shut the water off and take off the supply line. Then you can take off the nut that holds the fill valve in and use your palm to go up underneath of it to block the water. And when you're done with that, put it back down. Now let's talk about if your toilet runs randomly throughout the day. That's just your flapper. Super easy fix. Just take it off and it unclips like this. Now for the easiest tip, probably the most frustrating, how to tighten the seat. Do you have low flushing power in your toilet? Here's how to fix it. Pick your poison. Turn off the water, drain the water. Put a funnel in the fill tube. Use a liberal amount of cleaner. Wait 15 minutes, turn the water back on. Flush, rinse, repeat until satisfied. Don't mix chemicals.
Does your toilet make a lot of noise when you flush it? Or does it take a while to fill? Here's how to fix it. Turn the water up. Drain the water out of the tank. Disconnect the supply line. This part replacing is a fill valve. It also replaces the big black ball. Here's how to assemble it. Take that nut off, use your hand and push it up to stop the water from coming out. Hold it there, push the new valve in, and then connect the nut for minimum water loss. Connect the supply hose, turn the water back on. Here's how to adjust the water levels.
Do you have a broken toilet flush handle? Easy fix. The back side of this is actually reverse threaded. These are side mount and some are front mount. Make sure you take it with you to get the exact same one. Quick disclaimer, yes, I did do 2 fill valves, but the difference is that there are multiple kinds of fill valves, so I thought I'd fill that in.